Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add someone as a friend, so you can see that your add friend option is not showing. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you haven't blocked the person. So you have to open your Facebook app, and here very first, I recommend you have to open your App Store or Play Store and you have to try to update your app. So if there will be any bug or any issue due to pending updates, it will be fixed in this tab and you will not get the issue again. So tap on this update option to update your app. After updating, you have to simply go to your profile or tap on this menu option in the bottom right, and here just select settings and privacy. Then tap on settings here. You just have to look for your block list, or you can directly search it. Just tap on the search option, and you just have to select blocking, or you can also search for block here, and you'll get different options. You just have to select blocking from here, and you'll get all of the profiles you have blocked into your Facebook account. So if you find any account here, so I recommend you have to try to unblock them. So if you are trying to add a friend which you have blocked, so you're unable to add them as your friend. So once you have unblocked, it might be that your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue that you're still unable to add them as a friend, so what you can try, you just have to go to any profile. So let's say I'm going to select any profile here. So you just have to tap on this three dots here, or sometime it might be that add friend option is not available here, but it can available in this section, so you just have to look for that if the option is available here. If you see add friend option here, so you must have to try to add them friend from this list. Or if you're still facing the same issue that your add friend option is still missing, so you have to make sure that the person hasn't sent or set it any privacy on their account. So if there's any privacy settings on that person's account, so you're unable to add them, so you have to request that person to adding you as a friend. So after that, you can re-add them, or you can add them back as on Facebook. But if you're still facing the same issue that the person hasn't any privacy, but you're still facing the same issue that your add friend option is not showing or is it's grayed out, so you just have to go to menu section here, select this help and support option, then select report a problem, then select continue to report, select include option here, and you just have to select friend requests. Here you can also try to take a screenshot of the person's profile, or you can also upload from your phone if you already have any screenshot. So after uploading your screenshot, you just have to write or describe your issue. You have to tell that the person's advent option is not showing on the profile, so how to fix that or something like that. So once you have done this, have the send option in the top right, and your report will be submitted to Facebook support. So once you have submitted your Facebook support or your Facebook report, Facebook will help you to fix this issue and you will get official help in this way. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.